Welcome to the Ike Hamilton Saturday Night Lawnmower Races.
Are you ready to assume the role of CEO if something were to happen?
Racers, start your mowers.
We can do this. We can do it.
You're going down, duck boy.
No, I ain't. You're going down.
On your mark, get set.
Willie's terrible.
He's having trouble.
He's getting loud. Oh, this is bad. This is bad.
Yeah, it's bad.
I look at Willie, and all I'm getting from him is terror. He won't get off the inner track. He's driving 8 miles an hour. He's scared to death.
You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. These guys are fast, like supersonic fast. All I'm thinking about right now is don't die. Because if I die, in a weird way, Philip wins.
Hey, look at McMillan.
Looks like Philip McMillan's having engine troubles.
I see that Philip's in trouble. I'm thinking, you know what? We can't win the war, but we could win this battle.
Willie can take it.
Go, Willie!
Philip McMillan bringing up the rear.
Forget winning the race. We just want to beat Philip.
He's actually got a little speed builder now.
Yeah! All you gotta do is finish.
It's a nail biter to see who can take last place. And Willie takes the lead.
Woo! We got him. We'll take it.
You buy the whole seat, but you only need the edge.
You were terrible, but hey, you didn't finish last. Boom! That's what I'm talking about. Why don't you go back and get you an undershirt? Better luck next time. Take them Crocs back to the old trailer house.
All right, let's go get something to eat.
Hey, wait, we need to go put that lawnmower together.